North Appleton Ranch home close to highway access and Huntley grade school. Updates include new windows, vinyl siding, air conditioning unit to be installed, newer hot water heater. Tons on closet storage and a nice family room with electric fireplace in the lower level. Some updates needed on the interior. Garage has extra room for storage or toys. Spacious backyard with mature trees. Sale is to settle an estate. Offers to be submitted by 5 p.m. on Sunday, March 21st, with all offers presented on Monday, March 22nd.